Hello,
Hi,
this is Maddie,
that's Jeremy.
and we taught level 2 at Uptown Swing this week.
Charleston.
That's right. Yeah, we did a few moves this week. We reviewed hand-to-hand Charleston. You guys did that really well. We'll just joke around about it. But then we added this little, what we call around the world. Other people might call it other things, but we switched places just like that.
Yes, and then after that, we talked about getting out of hand-to-hand with this sort of Frankie Six's adjacent move that didn't really have a name.
Looks like this. We go hand-to-hand, double kick, swing, rock, step, kick, run, rock, step, kick, rock, step, kick, double kick. And that is really what we did.
Yep, and then we ended with the boogie drop.
That's right, we did that too. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7.
I stopped dancing, but you won't. See you later.
Bye.